Private courtyard here, and we go into the kitchen. Here's the kitchen area. Really nice hall, high ceilings, gas range, gas oven, recessed lighting. The bathroom was redone about 2 years ago. Lots of cabinet space in the kitchen, as well as a pantry on this side. There's a dishwasher and a large prepper's pantry on this side. There we go. Incinerator. There we go. Here's kitchen. Lighting you so you're not an embarrassment. Here we go. This is the living area. Again, beautiful period details. Lots of beautiful molding. Lots of space. That's Dexter. The cat does not come with the unit. Here we go. Off of the main living area with a bow front window are the 2 bedrooms, which we'll get to in just 1 second. The present clients are in the process of moving out. So again, that decorative molding, period detail is all around us. Hardwood floors. Here's the other bedroom. This bedroom is particularly nice. It has 2 very large closets. His and hers, or his and his, or hers and hers, or whatever, on either side. Big window. Another window there. Okay, there we go. Thanks for having a look. 16 Holbrook, Jamaica Plain, Massachusetts.